From last year, average sales decreased by -6.9%. However, the average price increased by a whopping 19.3%. For Mississauga, the number of sales was 959 units. The average price, $997,187. The average selling price versus list price was 106%, and the average days on market was 13 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 863 units. The average price, $1,085,417. The average selling price versus list price was 108%, and the average days on market was 9 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 315 units. The average price, $1,512,634. The average selling price versus list price was 105%, and the average days on market was 12 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 192 units. The average price, $1.1 million, 68,148. The average selling price versus list price was 107%, and the average days on market was 7 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 238 units. The average price, $1,035,965. The average selling price versus list price was 108%, and the average days on market was 10 days. Thanks for watching this month's market report. If you are planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call, 905-334-5883.